A sweet adventure. Visiting a chocolate factory. Introduction. Have you ever wondered how chocolate, a favourite treat for many, is made? A visit to a chocolate factory is a fantastic way to discover the secrets behind this delicious confectionery. This journey will take you through the exciting process of chocolate making, from cocoa beans to the final chocolate bar, the arrival. As you approach the chocolate factory, the first thing you notice is the sweet, rich aroma of chocolate that fills the air. This scent makes you eager to see what's inside. Upon entering, you're greeted by a guide who will take you on a tour. The factory is often bustling with activity, but visitors are provided with safe pathways to observe the process. Learning about cocoa. The tour usually begins with an educational segment about cocoa, the key ingredient in chocolate. You'll learn that cocoa beans are harvested from cocoa trees, which grow in tropical climates. The beans go through a process of fermentation and drying before they are shipped to factories like the one you are visiting. Roasting and grinding. The next stage is roasting. The cocoa beans are roasted at high temperatures, which brings out the chocolate flavour we all love. After roasting, the beans are ground into a paste called cocoa liquor. This stage is fascinating as you witness the transformation of beans into a form that resembles chocolate. Conching and tempering. One of the most important steps in chocolate making is conching. Here, the chocolate is mixed for several hours, which improves its texture and flavour. Following this, the chocolate is tempered, a process that involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to form a shiny, crisp texture. The moulding process. Now comes the exciting part. Moulding. The chocolate is poured into moulds of various shapes and sizes. Watching the liquid chocolate take shape into bars and other forms is a delightful experience. After moulding, the chocolate is cooled and solidified. The tasting room. No tour of a chocolate factory is complete without a visit to the tasting room. Here you can sample different types of chocolate, from dark and bitter to sweet and creamy milk chocolate. It's a chance to appreciate the variety of flavours that can be created from cocoa. The gift shop. Before leaving, you'll likely stop by the gift shop. It's a perfect place to buy souvenirs like chocolate bars or cocoa products to remember your visit. These treats are also great gifts for friends and family who weren't able to join you. Environmental and ethical considerations. During the tour, you might learn about the factory's efforts in sustainability and ethical sourcing. Many factories are committed to using cocoa beans that are grown and harvested responsibly, ensuring fair treatment and pay for cocoa farmers. Conclusion. Visiting a chocolate factory is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also an educational journey that offers insights into the art and science of chocolate making. It's an experience that combines learning, fun, and of course, lots of chocolate tasting. Whether you're a chocolate lover or just curious about how things are made, this adventure is sure to leave you with a deeper appreciation for this beloved sweet.